What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best 4K laser ultra short throw projectors in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these 4K laser ultra short throw projectors, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Hisense L9G TriChroma Laser 4K TV, the best ultra short throw projector for most people. The Hisense L9G is a revelation for the living room. This projector is packed with top-of-the-line projector features in an ultra short throw design, including a tri-color laser light engine, HDMI 2.1 ports with IRC HDR support, an Android TV interface, and powerful 40W speakers. Hisense isn't selling the L9G as a basic projector, but rather as a laser TV with an included ambient light rejecting projector screen that's meant to be permanently installed on your wall. This 100 or 120-inch varies depending on the model. Selected screen will appeal to those who are fussy about image quality, as it will reduce the impact of ambient room lighting on the picture. As good as its picture performance is, the projector stumbles in a couple of places. Its attempts to adjust brightness on a shot-by-shot basis for some content can mean it's overcorrecting in a way that makes the lighting quite jarring. Its motion smoothing can also be trouble, as it helps reduce panning judder sometimes, but introduces some glaring motion artifacts for everything else on screen. Fortunately, the Hisense L9G has a ton of available settings to adjust these features and many more, effectively letting users dial in the display however they like. There's no denying the breathtaking quality of the Hisense L9G, but it's a projector that takes a commitment to make sense for would-be buyers. It's definitely less of a commitment than a 100-inch TV though, as even the affordable models are multiple times the price of the L9G. Number 2. Hisense PX1 Pro, best budget ultra short throw projector. The Hisense PX1 Pro is a brilliant US model that manages to squeeze itself neatly in between some serious competition. It's not the cheapest projector, but it offers an excellent package of features and performance for the price. Despite taking up just a small space on a shelf or media center, the Hisense PX1 Pro can beam a 90 to 130-inch picture using a triple laser light source. It's on the medium bright side at 2200 lumens, and its brightness is wonderfully complemented by its color, which comes by way of 3 lasers, one each for red, green, and blue. The projector's built-in speakers can handle audio in a pinch, though they're easily beaten by even a modest soundbar. You'll need to pair the PX1 Pro with an ambient light rejecting screen to get the best performance from it, but in this case the money you save from bypassing more expensive models will set you up for success. Number 3. Samsung the Premier LSP9T, best ultra short throw projector for sound quality. After more than a decade since its last home cinema projector, Samsung returned with an absolute cracker, the Premier LSP9T projector. It's an ultra short throw beamer that makes use of 4K HDR laser projection, and its 3-color laser removes the need for a color filter. That enables the Premier's 2800 lumens brightness to really shine, and it's capable of producing a very impressive 130-inch image. Pictures are punchy and colorful, and Samsung's support for the HDR10 format adds scene-by-scene picture calibration in compatible films and TV shows. The projector also benefits from full implementation of Samsung's Smart TV operating system, although we found it a bit sluggish at times. The Premier LSP9T's built-in sound system impresses in a number of ways. Dialogue remains correctly placed at the heart of an elevated soundstage, while specific effects are accurately positioned in the audio wall to tally up with the on-screen action. Detailing in even very complex movie mixes is good, and treble effects are delivered without harshness or clipping. Number 4. LG HU85LA CineBeam, the best ultra short throw projector for streaming. LG's Cinebeam can create a massive display from only inches away. The projector's design is as sharp as its picture, with a sleek rectangular profile. Picture quality is good, as we found during our review. However, we think you'll want to use external speakers for the soundtrack, as there's a lack of detail in the high frequencies, and we'd prefer a bit more low-end thump too. The projector itself uses LG's Webos, which is the same smart interface the company uses in its TVs, and it also uses the same magic remote for control. Webos is easy to navigate, and as with many other smart platforms, you can choose from a wide range of streaming services and access other features from the gallery. If you're into voice controls, you can use the remote's built-in mic to jump to different apps, change the volume, and more. LG's projector makes use of Google Assistant too, so if you're set up in the Google ecosystem, you'll be able to control not only the projector, but also your smart home devices and so on. It's a handy touch and helps make the already smart Webos even smarter. Number 5. LG CineBeam HU915QE, best ultra-short throw projector for picture quality. The LG Cinebeam HU915QE is a relatively new addition to the world of US projectors, and it's a fabulous one. But at $5,999, HU9,999 about PS $5,600, this is anything but a casual home theater purchase. You get plenty for the money here though. The HU915QE's massive 90 to 120-inch picture is exceedingly bright and richly colorful. Even during daytime viewing, this projector is more than bright enough to create a pleasant picture, and just a little bit of ambient light control goes a long way in allowing it to display exceptional ones. With potent speakers, LG's handy Weibo smart TV system, the convenience of a manual focus wheel, and an image that's hard to find many faults with, you'd be getting quite a lot for your money with the LG Cinebeam HU915QE.